Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see the title, I am on my way. I'm gonna go review my friend's Hellcat. So finally, this is gonna be my first time ever getting inside a Hellcat, driving one, checking it out. So I am freaking excited, guys. Very excited. I know you guys are too. You're gonna see my reactions as a Mustang owner to what the Hellcat feels like. So without further ado, guys, stay tuned. Let's go.
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the Kenya, we making a killing. It's 2020.
Alright y'all, this is it right here. 2018 Challenger Hellcat wide body. Y'all can see on those Velgen wheels, this thing look crazy, man. This is my friend's Instagram right here. Make sure y'all give him a follow. I appreciate him letting me review the car, man. This thing is crazy. He got the carbon fiber wicker bill right there. This is a nice color, man. I'm not gonna lie. This is a nice color. But one thing for sure, like, let me show you guys side by side with the Mustang, so you guys see like the size difference. Y'all see that? That's crazy. Let me show you guys the interior, man. This thing got the red seats. Y'all see that? Red leather and the door handles. SRT mats. Look at the pedals right there, chromed out. Yo, sitting, I mean, I've been in a Challenger before, but like, not in a while, you know? So sitting in here is actually crazy. This one got the sunroof. Y'all can see red everywhere, man. Red everywhere. This thing is nice. Look at the speedometer right here, 200 on the dash. SRT. He has this key fob right here. Carbon fiber red. This thing is crazy, man. Look at these door handles right here, chromed out, looking good. Let me close this door so I can see like the side mirrors. About the same size. About the same size. Maybe a little taller than the Mustang. But oh yeah, this is definitely huge. Look, I can't even reach the door handle over there from here. I gotta like, you know, reach over. SRT Hellcat embroidered right there. Woo! Hey, this is gonna be my first time turning on a Hellcat, man. Let's see. Woo! Y'all saw that right there? The navigation right there. This is nice. And then it's got that the Harman Kardon sound system right there. I bet this thing sounds crazy too. You know, this is nice. The stock steering wheel feels good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is real nice for stock. The stitching right here. This right here is softer. So usually for me, I drive like this. So, oh yeah, this feels real good. The paddle shifters, they feel good too. That's nice. The shift knob. So over here on the Challengers, I believe you're gonna have that manual where you're gonna move this to the left. Our Mustangs just have you know, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and they also have sport, but it's down here. So it's gonna be like right after down on the drive, it's gonna be the sport mode, but this one's manual mode, so I don't know if it's the same thing. But I know, if I'm not mistaken, over here you can select all the performance level. Let me see. Yeah, right here, performance pages. You can go to automatic, custom, sport, or track. This is nice. This is where Dodge got us right here. On the Mustangs, we don't have like a visual like that to where we can like custom select if we want the power in a different mode, transmission, paddle shifters, traction, suspension, steering, and you get that visual. You see that? That's a crispy visual too. Let me show you y'all. You see that? That's nice. But yeah, I'm gonna ask him over here if we can go for a quick ride in around the area so we can see what the power feels like. Because I'm coming from a full bolt-on E85 Mustang, right? So I just want to know the difference, you know, as far as the pull, how it feels. So give me a second, guys. I'll be right back. Sheesh, y'all see that right there? That thing is huge, man. Supercharger, stock intake?
Yeah,
stock intake? Man, that's nice. Y'all see that orange right there on the motor? But that supercharger is huge though. It's nice. You keep it clean, man. It's real clean. Yes, sir. Let's get it, man. I can go north over here.
Yeah, let's put it to the 777.
7. Oh, okay. You had it on eco mode?
Well, when it starts, it automatically goes to eco.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It just sets to that.
Yeah. Okay. It shifts smooth. Mine is a little like jerky. 10 speed.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
You can feel the hit.
Yeah, like right there, like on first 1 to 2, it would have like, you know, it would have pushed a little bit. Oh, you can cut the camera back on.
Turn it on?
Yeah. Alright, Joe, about to give it a hit and see how it feels, man. But so far, it's nice, man. This is smooth. It's floating, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a quick little hit. Alright. Yeah, the shifts are like smooth. Yeah. The speed was like the same, you know? Mine was like
Kicks.
Yeah. Hi. Hey. First time in a Hellcat, y'all. I can't believe it, you know?
You can actually change the suspension as well.
Yeah. Let's feel a track one.
It's gonna feel really stiff in the transmission.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna put a track. And you
Oh,
feel the
you had the track, you had the suspension on sport?
Yeah, I had it on sport.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I usually put it on sport. But right there, you're gonna feel it strong.
Alright. Let's feel that everything track.
Oh.
Alright. Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it.
You can feel that.
Even the steering. Yeah. Dang. This is nice, man. Alright, y'all, that was it. Hellcat review. That thing feels good. You know, my first time ever, so dreams do come true, guys. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.